Skookum is an 11-year-old standard poodle, and she was a very athletic dog. She swam, she did agility, she tracked, she did obedience, she walked miles and miles hiking with me. And last May, she started refusing to walk, sleeping most of the time, wanting to be in her crate. She'd run away when I got the leash out. So I thought I was dealing with an older dog, because 11 is a venerable age for a standard poodle. So I brought her to Dr. Finn. I'd heard Dr. Finn give a speech at a dog show, so I knew about her training and abilities. And she analyzed the situation and concluded that Skookum had been injured. She did a stance analyzer and showed me the results of the chart, and the dog was putting only 10% of her weight on her right hind. She was shifting her weight to her left hind and to her front. At this point, we've been for 4 visits, and Skookum is putting almost as much weight on her right hind as she should be. She's walking over a mile a day with me again. And every once in a while she frisks around like she's 6 months old. So it's like, not all the time, but she's pretty frisky.